Hey guys, this is going to be a short little video today because I actually have a question for you that I would appreciate some feedback on. And just to get straight to the point, the question is, what would entice you to join the Forgotten Weapons Patreon account? Now, the reason I ask is we've been working for many months now on building a new part of ForgottenWeapons.com, the website, the original website, to act as an archival reference center. And what I really want to do is go back to sort of the roots of Forgotten Weapons and build up that website as a really good source for primary source materials, a really good reference place for people. And that's going to involve a lot of cataloging, scanning, uploading, searching for materials. It's something that I can't do by myself. Certainly the coding to get this framework system set up to make it an easily referenceable site. That's something I haven't been able to do myself, and I've brought in some outside help to do that. But what I want to make sure is that once we go live, which I'm hoping to be right around the end of this year, I want to make sure that Patreon can pay to hire a couple of people to work on that project, because that's the only way it's going to actually get done. I just don't have time to do that myself in addition to everything else that I'm doing. And so the question arises, what would interest you in the Forgotten Weapons Patreon account? One of the big issues, one of the big hurdles over coming up with some cool perks is I am not willing to put any of my proper firearms content behind a paywall. So the videos that I do, I've said this from the very beginning, the whole point is to create a free access unrestricted archive of this information for people. So I'm not going to put the videos behind a paywall, and I'm not willing to put the archive behind a paywall either for the exact same reason. And that sort of exclusive patron-only content is sort of the obvious thing to use as patronage perks, but that's all off the table. So I've toyed with the idea of doing a podcast weekly. I don't know how much that would actually interest people. One of the other things is if I launch a perk, I'm kind of obligated to continue it, and I don't want to launch something that's going to take a bunch of otherwise valuable time if it's not going to be something that's actually interesting to a lot of you guys. So the question is, what would interest you? What would you like to see that would make you go, yeah, I'm willing to sign up for $3 a month to do that? So let me know down in the comments. Thanks. Hopefully we can come up with a good idea, make something work, and make sure that the archive side of the website runs really smoothly and really efficiently.